Hello children, here is Jayanto sir. Today I am going to teach you mathematics of standard 8 and the chapter name is squares and square roots. That means we will start from that exercise 3a and today's learning scopes are square, square root, perfect square, then some examples, then we'll start from that exercise 3a. Then what is square? If a number is multiplies by itself, the product obtained is called the square of that number. For example, that 5 square equal to 5 into 5 equal to 25. Like that 0.2 square equal to 0.2 into 0.2 equal to 0.04. It's square. Next come to that what is square root. The square root of a given number x is the number whose square is x. For example, is that root over of 36 can be written as that 6 into 6, making that one pair. Then from this pair we can take that 1 6, that is 6 6 36 means this one. Then we can say that here that is 6 square equal to 36. Now come to that perfect square. A number whose exact square root can be obtained is called a perfect square. Then the perfect square numbers are that 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. How it is? Oh no, 1 square it is. 1, 2 square, 3 squares, 4 squares, 5 squares, 6 squares. All these are the perfect square numbers. Now come to your book that example 1. Is 196 a perfect square number? By resolving into, look at here that making into that prime factors, 2 9 are 18, 16, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 9 are 18, then 7 7 are 49. So that means we by resolving 196 into prime factors we get that 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Now make it that pair. This is one pair, this is another pair. That means since it exists in an exact pair, then 196 is a perfect square number. Next come to that example 3. Find the square root of 484. So root over of 484. Now you come here that 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. Then 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. Then 11 1 ja 11, 1 1 11, 11 1 ja 11. Then 484 can be written as the 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. Now making from this group, from this pair we can take that 1 2. Then from this 2, from this pair we can take that 11. So 2 into 11 equal to 22. Next come to that example 4. Find the smallest number by which 980 be multiplied so that the product is a perfect square number. In this question we can understand that what is the smallest number must be multiplied by 980 to make it a perfect square. To make it, what must be multiplied by 980 to make it a perfect square number? By resolving into prime factors, we get here, look at here, 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja 18, 2 0 ja 0, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 1 0 2 5 ja 10, 5 4 ja 20, then 4 5 5 9 ja 45, then 7 7 ja 49. Then we can write here 980 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. Look at here that 2 into 2 that is one pair and 7 into 7 another pair, but 5 does not exist in pair. So the given number should be multiplied to make it a perfect square. One more 5 is needed here. So here we can say that to make it a perfect square, to make it a perfect 908, to make it a perfect square, 5 must be multiplied. What is the perfect obtained perfect square? Now obtained perfect square equal to 980 into 4900 into 5 equal to 4900. So look at here, what must be multiplied? 5 must be multiplied. Then answer coming that 4009. Now come to that example 5. Find the smallest number by which 3150 be divided so that the quotient is a perfect square. There it is given that what must be multiplied, here what must be divided to make it into a perfect square. So by resolving 3150 into prime factors, we get, look at here, 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 7. So look at here, this is one pair, this is one pair, but here 2 and 7, they do not exist in pair. So these two we have to remove from here. These two means we have to divide it by 2 and 7. That means the given number must be divided by 2 into 7 equal to 14. So obtain perfect square number equal to what it is, number is given 3150 divided by 14 equal to, look at here, that 3150, it is prime factorized, it is done here, that 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 7, wrote that 14 can be written as the 2 into 7. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. So look at here, that 5 into 5 equal to 25, 3 ja 75, 3 ja 225. So what must be divided by 3150? That 14 must be divided. Then obtain perfect square, we will get the 2250. Children, next come to the example 6. Find the square root of 2 whole 7 by 9. 9 2 ja 18 plus 7 25 by 9, making into that improper fraction. Now whole root over root means 25 root over also, 9 also root over. 25 root over can be written as that 5 into 5. The 9 root over can be written as the 3 into 3. From these two 1 5, from these 2 3 1 3 equal to 5 by 3, making into that mixed fraction equal to 1 whole 2 by 3. Example 7. A man plants his orchards with 5,625 trees and arranges them so that there are as many as rows as there are trees in each row. How many rows are there, children? As many as rows are there, then as many as rows, suppose there are 5 rows are there. That means each row, how many plants will be planted, how many trees will be planted? 5 trees will be planted. Like that, total number of trees, it will be 5 into 5 equal to 25. So like that question is given. So accordingly we can take that question is asked is that how many rows are there. We have taken that let the number of rows be x. Then number of trees in each row, it will be also x. Then total number of trees planted equal to x into x equal to x square. So according to question, x square equal to 5625. Question it is given that 5625, implied that x equal to square coming this side means it will be root over the 5625. Now we are factorized now 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 2 5, 5 5 ja 25. Then 5 2 ja 10, 1 2 5 2 ja 10, 2 5 5 5 ja 25. Then 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25. Then 5 9 ja 45. Then 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 9. So we can write now that 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. We can write. So from this 2 5 1 5, from this 2 5 1 5, from this 3 2 3, we can write that 1 3. So 5 5 ja 25, 3 just 75. So that means number of rows it is 75. Then each row, how many plants will be planted? That is also 75, because number of rows equal to number of trees in each row. That's why. But question it is asked that how many rows are there? There are 75 rows. Question may be asked also how many trees are there in each row. That same answer it would be coming. Now come to that Example 7 and 8. 7 we did. Now 8 and 9 you will do yourself. Now come to that example 10. Find the smallest perfect square number divisible by 24, 30 and 60. So LCM of 24, 30 and 60 equal to 120. So 120 can be written as the prime factors, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So which will be the smallest perfect square number, multiplying it with 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5, that means 120 into 2 into 3 into 5. So look at here, the required perfect square number equal to 120 into 2 into 3 into 5 equal to 3600. Now children, open your book, exercise 3A, question number 1, bit 2i, 6.3 square equal to, you can write also 6.3 into 6.3. Whenever multiplying 63 into 63, then 2 decimal place, then it is coming that 39.69. Next come to that question number 2, bit I. Find the square root of 11025. So whenever we are prime factorize this one, we are getting this one. So 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 3 into 3 equal to 5 7 ja 35, 3 ja 105. Next come to that question number 5, bit third I, square root of 0.0169 can be written as 169 divided by 1. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. So 4 zeros I wrote. Whole root over equal to 169 root over divided by root over of 10000. So 169 can be written as the 13 into 13 and 100 can be written as the 100 into 100. From this pair we can write that 13, and from this pair 100 into 100 we can write that 100. So equal to, it is coming that 0.13. 2 decimal place 1 2, then after the decimal place there is 0.13. Next come to that question number 6, bit 4. 1 whole 4 by 5 into 14 whole 21 by 44 into 2 whole 7 by 55. So 5 1 the 5 plus 4, 9 by 5 into 44 into 14 plus 21, it comes that 637 by 44 into 55 into 2, 110 in plus 7, 117 by 55. That is 9 into 637 into 117. So whenever we are doing that, 5 into 44 into 55, 44, 5 into 44 into 55 equal to, we can write now that it is 9 is there 9, then 637 can be written as 7 into 7 into 13, then 117 can be written as the 13 into 9 whole divided by 5 into, that is 44 can be written as that 11 into 2 into 2, that into 55 can be written as that 11 into 5. Now look at here that 9 9 out of 2 9 1 9, then 7 7 out of 2 7 1, then 13 into 13, from 1 this pair we can write also 13. Now 5 into 5 it is 5, 11 into 11 it is 111, then 2 into 2 2. So now 9 7 ja 63 into 13, it is coming that 819 divided by 5 to the 10 into 11 110. Then make into that mixed fraction, it is coming that 7 whole 49 by 110. Next come to that question number 7, bit 4. 5 whole 5 into 2 whole 3 by 4 minus 3 by 10 root over of 5 into 2 whole 3 by 4 minus 3 by 10. So 5 whole make into that in the bracket, that is 5 4 to the 8 plus 3 11 by 4 minus 3 by 10. So equal to 5 into root over of 5 into LCM is coming the 20. 4 5 ja 5 into 11 55 minus 10 to the 22 into 3 equal to 6 equal to we can write now that 5 1 ja 5 5 4 ja 20, that is 40 root over of 49 by 4 equal to 49 can be written as that 7 into 7 and 4 can be written as that 2 into 2 equal to this is from this 2 7 we can write that 1 7 from this 2 I can write that 2. Now 7 by 2 can be written as 3 whole 1 by 2. Next come to that children, question number 10. 13 square equal to 169. Question I did not write, you go through the question, that is, and 31 square it will be coming that 961. Similarly to such numbers can be what it is 12 and 21, that is 12 square equal to 144 and 21 square equal to 441, and another one 102 and 201, 102 and 201, 102 square equal to 102 into 102 equal to 10404, and 201 square equal to 201 into 201 equal to 40401. So children, you will do that exercise 3A. Exercise 3A. Thank you. See you again in the next class. That means exercise 3B.